Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to make sure that the people you call regularly are in your favorite list of calling, right? On your WhatsApp on an Android phone. Okay, so I'm going to go on WhatsApp and go to the call section area and see here is on top below calls written favorites, right? So this is the place where favorite calls will be added, the contacts, right? I'm going to show you how to add it in this list. Now tap on more as I did and you will see who all are added in this list. Now tap on the human icon on right hand side on top right corner. Start to write the name of the contact you want to add in your list, which will be visible on top in your call section. So right now I'm trying to search it, and I can scroll it down as well and simultaneously tap on the contacts I want to add and it will be added in the list. Once selected, just tap on the lower right side tick option in the green and you will see the ones you added are here now right in front of you, and you can delete it right away if you added someone mistakenly. Also, you can reorder them by holding and sliding up and down on that two lines on right side horizontally, right? And that's how we do it. Now check your favorite list right away and call that person. See you in the next video. Ta-da!